Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a new topic called as Dynamic plus Injunction. Dynamics plus Injunction. Normally, you are well aware in CPC, whenever we want to get an emergency order, we will file a petition under R39, Rule 1, that is for injunction. May be temporary. The temporary injunction may become perpetual. Like that, we go to obtain the so-called injunction orders. Here, Justice M. Pratibha Singh of Delhi High Court, she has given, almost we can say it's a perpetual injunction for future products also. She has given a dynamic plus injunction against some rogue websites. In the case filed by, you can read the case as Universal City Studios LLC, that is Universal Studios, which are very famous production company in Hollywood, versus .movies, .baby and others. These are all rogue websites. So, present scenario we have been seeing. Whenever a film is released, by the next day you are going to see the film in the so-called rogue websites. Particularly, I know only one such website which is called as iBomma. I don't know whether it is the rogue website or not, but whenever the film is published, being exited in Mongol, next day it will come in this particular iBomma. Of course, it's Disney and other things, I can't see it. Likewise, the very famous institutions like Warner Brothers, Universal Studios, so many things are there, Foxconn. So they are producing the films. Of course, they can be seen in the TV or in your mobiles or your laptops or your gadgets, other gadgets, you can see them. You can download them. That is authorizedly. But before getting any copyright, that is in violation of the copyright or infringement of the copyright, which is punishable under section 53 of the Copyright Act, they are exhibiting the films on the very next day, which is causing a substantial loss to the companies. So therefore, they have filed for IA, that is interlocutory application under Order 39. So Honorable Justice Pratibha Singh, she was pleased to grant the injunction order on 9/8/2023 in IA number 14120/23 against the rogue websites like .movies, .baby and others, and 6 others. Right? The production houses like the so-called Universal Studios, Warner Brothers, MGM, Metro Goldwyn Mayer, and all of them, they are very established, well-established Hollywood studios. They produce the films, they distribute the films. But of course, you can see the films in TVs, computers, laptops, your tablets, other things. But you have to understand that they have got the Copyright Act. They have got their rights under copyright. But what is happening? The rogue sites, the unauthorized, unlicensed and pirated sites, they are publishing the same and they are allowing the same to be downloaded, they are allowing the same to be viewed, which causes a sustainable loss to the film producers. Like even we all know in Andhra it's happening, but it's happening to Hollywood also. Even though the streaming website like Netflix and other things are there, but still Disney, Hotstar, Netflix, but still these things are happening. Right? Therefore, these Universal Studios and others, they filed a suit against so-and-so for giving an injunction against the rogue websites for not streaming or against streaming the so-called producers' films. So, no doubt, this IT Act is also giving a proviso like Section 69 of the Information Technology Act 2000, where the government can authorize, the government can ask the some websites to be not to be opened or they to be closed. But how to control the websites whose servers are located in foreign countries, whose servers are located, whose IPs are located different, sometimes whose IPs are not able to be downloaded and known. So therefore, in view of the future circumstances, Honorable High Court of Delhi Justice Pratibha Singh, she has given the so-called Dynamic+Injunction order. That means this injunction order will apply to the future productions of the companies. So even though they did not apply for the injunction order, it applies to them also. Future injunction order, very peculiar sounding, Dynamic+Injunction order. So please read the news or see the case law and enrich your legal notes. Thank you.